Welcome to our channel. If you've misplaced your AirPods, don't worry. Finding them can be quick and easy with the right steps. Here's a professional step-by-step guide to help you locate your lost AirPods fast. Step 1. Use the Find My app. 1. Open Find My app. On your iPhone or iPad, find and open the Find My app. This app is essential for tracking down your AirPods. 2. Select Devices. Tap on the Devices tab at the bottom of the screen. This will show you all the Apple devices connected to your Apple ID. 3. Locate your AirPods. Scroll through the list until you find your AirPods. Tap on them to see their last known location on the map. Step 2. Play sound. 1. Play a sound. If your AirPods are within Bluetooth range, you can tap on the Play Sound option. This will make your AirPods emit a loud chirping noise, helping you to locate them quickly. 2. Listen carefully. Move around and listen for the sound. Follow it until you find your AirPods. Step 3. Check the last known location. 1. Map features. If your AirPods are out of range, the app will show their last known location. Use this to guide your search. 2. Retrace your steps. Think back to the places you visited last and head to those locations to see if you can find your AirPods there. Step 4. Look around the house. 1. Common hiding spots. Check common places where you might leave your AirPods, like under the couch cushions, in your bag, or on a shelf. 2. Use a flashlight. If you're searching in dimly lit areas, use a flashlight to help spot your AirPods more easily. Step 5. Ask for help. If you're still unable to locate your AirPods, consider asking friends or family for help. Sometimes a fresh pair of eyes can spot things you may have overlooked. Additional tips. Ensure AirPods are charged. If your AirPods are dead, they won't show up on the Find My app. Make sure they are charged before you start searching. Enable notifications. If you find your AirPods, consider enabling the notifications option for your devices in the Find My app. This way, if you leave them behind again, you'll get a reminder. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful tips and tricks.